Alrighty guys, Mark Lamy here with another unboxing for you guys. This time I have Geekfuel. This is for January 2016. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you guys. I don't know this month's theme, I think it was, well, what I read, it said it's going to have something Resident Evil in it, which is awesome because I'm a big fan of Resident Evil, but I don't remember reading a theme about it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Well, they made this tape kind of hard. Super sticky tape right here. There you go. Alrighty. Go ahead and open up the wrapping paper. And right here we got Fuel the Flash contest. What is this? Shows the grand prize. Geekfuel. Okay. Little contest. Guess you gotta figure out the coordinates. Let's go to the next item. And here's the Geekfuel magazine. Issue number 12, January 2016. Let's go ahead and flip through this. Push the box a little back. Do a quick little glance for you guys. Alrighty, oh, and reverse flash on the back, pretty cool. Got a lot of little boxes in here, well, boxes I should say. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's inside this one. Oh, well, there goes that box. Is this a little ring box? What in the world? Oh, it's a Resident Evil pin. Little umbrella logo. That's pretty cool. Actually, I have a lot of pretty cool pins. So that's gonna go there. It's weird how they had it in a ring box, though. Oh well, let's go to the next box. See what's in this one. Looks like it has a little bit of comic strips, so I'm guessing it's some kind of... Is this a mug? Let's go ahead and find out. It is a mug. Oh, Star Labs coffee. And it has flash right there. Pretty nice mug. And it is glass. Cool. Let's go to the next item. Oh, what is this? We got pixelated Link from The Legend of Zelda. Let's go ahead and open that up. Is this candy? Oh yeah, it is candy. Oh, they're little swords, pixelated swords. Pretty cool. Try those later. And then we have the shirt. Well, that's pretty cool too. Has all the stuff about time travel. Really nice. We got Terminator, Back to the Future, Doctor Who. Let's go ahead and put that aside. And then we have a poster. Let me try to open this up. Let's see if I can just slide it out. Yes. And it is, oh, Jack, oh, from Star Wars, nice. Comic-Con. That's pretty cool. I might hang this up. Alright, let's go to the next item. What is this? Oh, this is the game. Metro Wrap. $10 value. Okay, let's go ahead. Yep, the code's inside. Well, there's the Steam game. Pretty cool. So this pretty much tells you what's inside the game. Oh, this one had a different one. They had one for Mario. So everything that comes in the box. Pretty cool. We got a pretty good box this month. If you guys want to check out Geekfuel for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description. If you guys like this video, go ahead and click the like. And if you want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time.